Gold against US dollar. Yesterday has not moved slightly and has not moved anyway from the price 2329.13, and we can see that the price has formed yesterday bearish candle with the small body with a wick on the upper side and a larger wick on the bottom side. What is currently happening on the market for the last 3 days? It is indecision where the price cannot find a very clear way outside of this small range area. And it's very important level where we can see that the price have problems going up and also going down because of this confluence of resistance, but there are also buyers that are pushing the price higher, but the sellers who are pushing the price down. So it's very hard to define where the price could move in the future. Smaller time frames are also not showing anything because the price is moving sideways. There were attempts that the price will go up, but it will go down. But the price could not make a clean breakout outside of this range area, which is, we can see that from here to here. What will the price do in the future? Where is the price heading? It's very hard to determine because there are no clear signals that the price could define it will go up or it will go down. This is the strong resistance where the price currently is, but the support here is also very strong because we can see larger wicks on the bottom side compared to the upper side, which means the buys are very strong at this price level and they will not allow easily for the price to go down. What we can see is the buyers are pushing the price higher and higher. We can see that this candle body open and close are increasing each day with very small steps. What will happen? Will the price make eventually breakout above 2340.29 is very also important information. When the price breaks on the lower time frames, which is for example 1 hour time frame, where we can see the price is jumping all around and it is respecting this resistance and this support level, the price needs to make a clean breakout on these time frames. On the 1 minute time frame and the 4 hour time frame will eventually lead also breaking on the daily time frame, which will give us more clear information. Will the price go up or go down? Now, based on this one, what I can see, I am much more inclined to see the price going up because of this bullish trend that is not allowing for the price to move down. Now we can see the price is going outside of this confluence of resistance. Currently it is at the support level and we can see the price is trying to make a breakout. This is confluence of resistance on the 4 hour time frame. This is confluence of also support currently, where the price have much more space to go up here up to 2340.29, which is currently I am looking that the price will go on the higher price levels. Will it happen? Well, it's not very easy to determine and I'm not 100% sure, but I am more inclined to see the price going up than going down. So we will see when the breakout happens. Everything that happens, we'll see that on inside the Telegram group, where I will share that with the traders that are inside the group, where I share the daily analysis on the 1 minute time frame, on the 4 hour time frame when the breakout happens, and also what are the targets. If you would like to check that, check the link below in the description. This is all for this day. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.